In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create storytelling slides with Tome AI. To get started, open your web browser and head to the Tome AI website. Once you're there, sign into your account. If you're using Tome for the first time, go ahead and create a new account so you can access the dashboard and start building your presentation. From the dashboard, click Create or New Tome to begin. At this point, you can choose to generate your presentation with AI or start from a blank presentation. If you want a faster starting point, the AI option is especially useful because it helps build the structure for you. Next, enter a prompt that clearly describes the story or presentation you want to create. The more specific you are here, the better the results will usually be. Include important details like your topic, who the presentation is for, the tone you want to use, and how many slides you'd like. Once your prompt is ready, click Generate and let Tome build your presentation outline. After the slides are created, take some time to review the AI-generated storytelling structure and slide sequence. This is where you make sure the narrative flows in a way that makes sense for your audience. Start by editing the title and subtitle on the cover slide, then go through each slide and adjust the text so it better reflects your message and voice. If needed, add or remove slides to improve the pacing. You can also use the plus button to insert new sections, text blocks, or media wherever they fit best. To make the presentation more engaging, add AI-generated images or upload your own visuals. Strong visuals can really help support the story you're telling. You can then rearrange slides by dragging them into your preferred order. As you refine the structure, customize the layouts, colors, and formatting so the presentation matches your style or brand. If your content would benefit from more depth, you can also add charts, videos, links, or other interactive elements. Before sharing anything, preview the presentation to check the overall flow and transitions. This step is important because it helps you catch anything that feels out of place or unclear. Make any final edits to the content, visuals, and design until everything feels polished. When you're happy with the result, click Share to invite collaborators or create a shareable presentation link. If needed, export the presentation in a supported format such as PDF. Finally, save your changes so you can return to the presentation anytime from the Tome dashboard. And that's how to create storytelling slides with Tome AI.